Hey guys, this is MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be explaining how you can install Android on your PC. You can install Android side by side on your PC and it will be very simple to use. Before we get started though, make sure you click subscribe and turn on notification with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. To do this, you'll need a USB drive that is at least 4 GB. Insert it into your PC. Before we do anything though, we need to create a disk partition to install Android to. It's much easier to do that now than later, so I recommend you do so now. To create a partition, open the Start menu and search for Disk Management. Open Disk Management. To create a partition, right-click the main C partition and click Shrink Volume. A dialog box will open saying querying volume for available shrink space. Depending on your disk, the time it takes to finish this may vary. Afterwards, you'll see a new window open that'll tell you the maximum amount of space you can shrink. I want a 20 GB partition. I recommend at least 16, so I'll type 20,000 megabytes and click shrink. Right click your new partition and click new simple volume. Click next again, click next again, click next again, then click finish. You'll then have a brand new partition. To start, go to android86.org. Click the blue download button. Choose the file submirror. Click the 64-bit ISO file link to download the ISO file. Depending on your internet connection, the time it takes to download may vary. When your download has finished, go to rufus.ie to download Rufus. Scroll down and click Rufus 3.11 to download Rufus. When Rufus has finished downloading, run it. When Rufus opens, click the device drop-down and make sure that your USB drive is selected. Then click Select to open your Android ISO file. When you're ready to create the USB installer, click Start. If Rufus says you need to download SYX Linux 6.03, click Yes to download it. If Rufus prompts you if you'd like to write the ISO file in ISO image or DD image mode, choose ISO image mode and click OK. When your USB installer has finished being created, you'll need to restart your computer from your installer. How you have to boot into your USB installer depends by your computer manufacturer. When your computer has booted from your USB, you'll be taken to the Android boot menu. If you want to test out Android on your computer before you install it permanently, you can choose live mode. Otherwise, choose installation. This will take you to the installation setup process. It will show you a screen where you can choose where to install Android on your PC. Choose the partition we created earlier to install to. When it asks if you'd like to reformat, choose Do Not Reformat, then press OK. The next screen will ask you if you'd like to install Grub. Choose Yes. The next screen will ask you if you'd like to install the system directory as read-write. If you're a developer, choose Yes. Otherwise, choose No. Then Android will begin to install and you can set it up and use it as you'd like. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you, click subscribe and leave a like and share. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.